The first race I ever saw was in Monza, the Italian Grand Prix. That sound, the Formula One engines were just so awesome. I could feel it. I've never forgotten it. I became fascinated with racing right then and there. I would run around the house with a pot lid steering wheel, acting like I was racing. I was bit. By the time I was 15, my family had come to the United States to begin a new life. And that's when I heard that sound again. I just had to go find it. It was like it was calling me, and I had no choice but to answer it. Cars on that dirt track sound like nothing else. You could hear the dirt, the rocks hitting the walls. Inside a car, it's quite different. The engine is inside of you. You're trying to protect it, but man, I'm not leaving anything on the table either. It just wah. I mean, it's just there. I just wanted to hear the metal really at the limit. Oh gosh, I mean, the sound is like, just like a poetic motion. If you love opera, this is the opera of motor racing, the opera sound. It gives you goosebumps to listen. There was always controlled chaos out there. The pit crews yelling, the roar of the engines, and the crowd. As a driver, there's a point where you have to shut all that off. You have to go into your zone. It's like it was silent. I was focused on winning, nothing else. I look at a photo or a trophy today, and you know what? It's more than a memory. I get the feeling. I can hear it.
Mario Andretti there. Yours one comes, Mario. The checkered flag of victory.
Those engines, those sounds, they are my song. Stock, NASCAR, Formula One, they all played a different song. And I love them all.